Introduction. Music intro. Partners face audience. A. Starting with the right foot, take 3 steps forward, counts 1, 2, 1, and raise left foot in rear, count 2. Girl holds bilao in front at waist level. Boy does a forearm turn to reverse T position every count, 2 measures. B. Repeat A moving backward starting with the left foot. C. Take 3 steps turning right in place, counts 1, 2, 1. Raise left foot in rear, count 2. Arms as in A, 2 measures. D. Girl places bilao on her head, counts 1, 2, 1. Points right foot close to left, count 2. Boy points right foot close to left with forearms in front of chest, fists slightly closed, 2 measures. Music A. Partners face audience. The movements of the boy and the girl are done simultaneously. For girl, A. Take 3 steps sideward, right holding bilao with both hands on the head. Counts 1, 2, 1. Raise left foot in rear, twisting the body slightly to the right. Count 2. 2 measures. B. Repeat A, starting with the left foot, 2 measures. C. Repeat A and B 3 times more, 12 measures. D. Repeat all A to C, 16 measures. For boy, A. Take 4 steps sideward right, counts 1, 2, 1, 2. Forearm turn right and left alternately with fists slightly closed, 1 forearm turn for every count, 2 measures. B. Lunge on right and roll up the sleeves of the right arms, counts 1, 2. Reverse lunge and roll up the sleeves of the left arms, counts 1 and 2. 2 measures. C. Lunge on right and open arms from the first to second position, counts 1, 2, 1, 2. Palms facing down as if gathering the leaves of the gawai, 2 measures. D. Reverse lunge, pulling the gabi plant, counts 1, 2. Lunge on right again and bend the body a little forward as if preparing to pull another gabi plant, counts 1, 2. 2 measures. E. Repeat A to D moving to the left, 8 measures. F. Repeat all A to E, 16 measures. Music A Figure 2. Partners face audience. The movements of the boy and the girl are done simultaneously. For girl, A. With the right foot in the 5th position, right heel slightly raised, knees slightly bent, sway the skirt with the right hand backward, counts 1, 2. Forward, counts 1, 2. Left hand holding bilao on head. Execute this movement in a bouncy fashion. 2 measures. B. Repeat swaying of the skirt as in A, 2 measures. C. Repeat A and B, reverse feet and hand movement. Note: step right foot in rear to change position and sway arm forward first, 4 measures. D. Repeat all A to C, 8 measures. For boy, A. Starting with the right foot, take 3 steps forward, counts 1, 2, 1, forearm turn forward, knuckles up, right and left alternately. Raise left foot in rear and push right elbow sideward, count 2, 2 measures. B. Repeat A, starting with the left foot, moving backward, 2 measures. C. Repeat A and B, 4 measures. D. Repeat all A to C, 8 measures. Figure 3 Music B. Partners face audience. A. Step right foot across left in front, count 1. Step left sideward, count 2. Step right foot across left in rear, count 1. Step left foot sideward, count 2. Arms are in hayun-hayun position, right and left forearm in alternately every 2 counts, 2 measures. B. Leap on right forward, count 1. Hop on it and raise left foot in rear, count 2. Leap on left backward, count 1. Hop on it and raise right foot in front, count 2. Right forearm in front, left forearm at the back, 2 measures. C. Take 3 steps turning sideward right to proper places, arms doing the forearm turn, counts 1, 2, 1. Raise left foot in rear and push right elbow sideward, count 2, 2 measures. D. Repeat C. Turning left in place, reverse arm movement, 2 measures. E. Repeat all A to D starting with the left foot, 8 measures. F. Repeat A to E on the last 2 measures. Take 4 steps backward, arms doing the forearm turn. Girl puts bilao on the floor, 16 measures. Figure 4, Music B. A. For boy, starting with the right foot, take 3 steps in place, counts 1, 2, 1. Arms doing the forearm turn. Raise left foot in rear, count 2. Thrusting right elbow towards partner at chest level. For girl, execute boy's movements, turning right about in pace. Finish the turn with right shoulder toward boy. Thrusts right elbow toward each other at chest level on the last count, 2 measures. B. Take 3 steps sideward right, starting with the left foot across right in front to go to partner's place, passing back to back. Counts 1, 2, 1. Raise right foot in rear and thrust left elbow towards partner. Count 2, 2 measures. C. Execute 3 steps turning right in place, counts 1, 2, 1, arms as in A. Raise left foot in rear and thrust right elbow with partner. Count 2, 2 measures. D. Repeat B. Finish in proper places, 2 measures. E. Repeat A to D with the boy taking a full turn in A, 8 measures. F. Take 3 steps sideward right, counts 1, 2, 1. Arms as in A. Raise left foot in rear and thrust right elbow sideward, away from partner, count 2, 2 measures. G. With feet in first position, knees slightly bent, thrust the left elbow sideward twice, counts 1, 2. Do the same movement with the right elbow, counts 1, 2, 2 measures. Note: execute these movements in a bouncing manner. H. Repeat F and G going sideward left, reverse arm movements, 4 measures. I. Repeat F to H, 8 measures. Figure 5. Music B played 2 times. Partners face audience. The movements of the boy and the girl are done simultaneously. A. For girl, take 2 steps obliquely, forward right, counts 1, 2. Forearm turn right and left, fall on right foot and raise left foot in rear, count 1. Hop on right, count 2. Fall on left and raise the right foot in front, count 1. Hop on left, count 2. Arms are in hayun-hayun position, right forearm in front, 3 measures. For boy, pick up bilao on the floor and places it on the head of the girl, 5 measures. B. For girl, repeat A moving clockwise carrying bilao on the head, 3 measures. For boy, execute the movements of the girl in A moving clockwise, following the curl closely trying to touch right foot of girl, 3 measures. C. Repeat B 8 times more moving in the clockwise direction. Finish in proper places, 24 measures. D. Take 4 steps going to proper places. Counts 1, 2, 1, 2. Forearm turn right and left alternately, 2 measures. Figure 6. In this figure, the dancers are free to execute any movement to demonstrate their dancing ability. They continue their movements to exit. 32 measures.